Hey, what's up everybody? Gonna hop on here, do a quick review, kind of demonstration here of the LED nightlight with the built-in motion sensor that also has my favorite feature, has a manual on, manual off switch. This is actually what's in the box. It is a two-pack, and this is the 3000 Kelvin, which is kind of like that really warm nightlight that you have there. Pulling it off here, it's a regular two-prong, goes into a two-prong AC outlet. On the back, we've got our dimmer, which is our low and our high setting. On the front, here's the light sensor to let you know it'll only hop on at night. Or on the bottom, you've got your auto to use the sensor, you've got your manual off and your manual on. I don't know a use case for a manual on, but I do like the manual off because if you're going on vacation, you're going to leave the house for a couple days. There's no reason to have a nightlight and use the electricity while you're not there. So you can just flip it to off, but also leave it in the outlet. And then obviously auto is something you just plug it in, forget that it's even there, and it'll just do its thing forever. Now, to kind of show you the light, I've actually rigged an extension cord over here so I can kind of get this with my camera set up. And we can get this one here, and you'll see the light. It is that nice 3000 Kelvin kind of warm light here. It's not that blue light like some of the cooler light temperatures. And let's kind of put the auto on here for a second. And then you can see there's the use case for the auto on is what I'm doing a demonstration. You've got the two settings here as far as the brightness and the dimness here. Let me turn off the camera lights here so you can kind of get an idea of the brightness. So it's a fairly bright night light. It's not going to keep anyone really up at night. This is it's not that big of a light, but it's enough to kind of see where you're going. And the light sensor on it is fairly sensitive. I don't have any light on now. Now I turned all the lights on. Actually, it's still on. So this is turn it off there. I'll turn the sensor. So actually this may stay on unless it's a super dark room, or unless it's a really bright room. So overall, I mean it's a well-built nightlight. I'll have to plug it into actual use to see whether or not that sensor will how sensitive the sensor will be, but they're generally all the same. And I'm not really expecting anything different. But if there is, I'll make another video, let you know what I find. So overall, I'm happy I bought it. It wasn't a whole lot of money. And yeah, it's a nice little nightlight for what it is. And again, as you see the size, it's really small. So I like it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.